Hello, my name is Maisha with Plentiful Hair Studio, and I wanted to introduce you to my new hair system that I'll be putting on my website after I lightly style her. Her name is Carmen. She has a lace top. She's 150% density. She's 20 inches and she's a level 2. She's very, very full. Um, she is going to be listed on my website after I lightly curl her. All my systems on my site are lightly curled with a very low curling iron. I don't do all the over styling because I want to, I want it to come as clean and as in the best shape possible when you receive her. However, if you do decide that you would like your unit to be curled a little tighter or curled differently, I can do that for you as well. But be mindful. You cannot expect your system to jump out of a box looking like a supermodel. You have to understand that in the male, some curls can get squished, some things can happen. So just be mindful of that because that is a real possibility. I don't add any hairspray or any oils to the system before you get it. If you wanna, when I list her on my site, her name will be Carmen after I get an opportunity to style her. But she's so pretty to me. You know, the crazy part about this is I do get attached to some of my pieces, and sometimes you want to get another one made, and because I don't hand make my units. I have a vendor that does that for me. I custom make them, I custom design them, and I have a vendor that does it for me. But sometimes I like them so much that immediately if somebody's interested, I start plotting on how to get another one, but it's never, each unit always ends up being completely different to me. Anyway, I don't want to keep talking. Her name is Carmen, and as soon as I lightly style her, she will be listed on my site, www.plentifulhairstudio, under the store tab. Thank you.